There's some code here that you can download and try this out on Towards Data Science. I'll leave a link below that will detect all of these facial landmarks. And when you get the code down, it'll look something like this. So you can see it's detecting my eyebrows if I move them around, if I open and close my eyes, or my mouth. You can see that it kind of follows. I wanted to see what can I actually do with this face mark detection. I'll leave a link to this one. You can see them, all the marks, these 68 landmarks. They even have numbers. So that means if I want to put something on top of my face, for example, like make an Instagram filter or something like that, put on a couple of ears and a nose, then I could use this 0.1, 0.17. That would be where the ears would be located, and then maybe this 34 for the nose. And I tried to do that here. Let's see what it looks like. So this is OpenCV will take a picture from my web camera, and then I put this in like an infinite loop. So all the time it's going to redraw all the time when I'm moving my head here. So you can see that the ears will disappear if I go all the way to the side or down. Well, it can't detect anymore, but otherwise it'll follow my face and update. Let's try and look at something else that I looked into. I found another article here on from the Czech Technical University in Prague, where they are detecting some drowsiness from when you're closing your eyes. There's one, the aspect ratio here between the upper and the lower eyelid, and then the width of the eye. When you close your eyes, that aspect ratio will fall pretty low here, and when you open your eye again, it'll go up here. So you can actually detect this. And I tried doing that both with the eyes, but also with the mouth. So when I open the mouth here, I want to make a sound. I want to make the dog bark. And when I close my eyes, for example, I want it to have a noise like a squeeze toy to like wake up the puppy. So let's try and see what that looked like. So let's see here. So if I have my eyes open, it won't say anything. But if I like, even if I blink, I think it's gonna detect. And if I open my mouth really wide, there should be this barking sound.